So, hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal mid-monthly energy check-in for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 15th till the 31st of March 2026. Keep in mind, this is not a love reading or a career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, 2 links are given below. So let's start. Okay, let's see. The overall energy for Virgo people for the rest of the month of March 2026. Let's see what we have. The overall energy for Virgo people for the rest of the month of March 2026. We have the Emperor, the Ten of Cups, and the Empress. Oh my god, bottom of the deck is the Lovers. You guys have decided. You guys have decided who is going to be there for you for the lifetime, for a lifetime. It's like Emperor to the Empress, Empress to the Emperor. No matter what gender you are, you guys have decided that one specific person and or a specific kind of person is going to be there for you for the rest of your lives. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Lovers. You guys are feeling a lot of pull, lot of attraction, lot of love, every kind of love towards a particular person or situation. Wow. So Virgo, this is about love. Again, it can be love towards family. It can be love towards a particular person. For most of you, it's a romantic connection that you guys are very focused on this month. You guys are learning to love, as if you guys are learning to love in a totally different way, in an unusual way. And you guys are deciding with each passing day that this is the kind of person or this is the kind of energy that I want in my life for the rest of my life. I have decided and now I'm going to follow it no matter what. Okay? It can be a specific person or it can be a specific kind of person. And you guys are excited, you guys are happy, you guys are in this energy of I know what I want and now I'm going to get it sooner or later in my life. Cool. Wow. Impressed. Let's see what was happening in the recent past, Virgo. Empress, you are impressed by something or someone. There was a lot of growth and expansion and happiness in a particular situation, whether somebody was seeing you as the Empress or you were seeing somebody as Empress. But there was a desire, there was this energy of wanting to have a lot of growth and expansion and happiness in a particular dynamics with someone, right? Let's see in the current energies. Virgo, it's all about love, growth, expansion, family. Nine of Wands. Right now, you guys are hurt. You guys are like a wounded warrior or something, as if somebody hurt you, as if somebody did something that is not making you feel good. Okay, let me see. We will clarify. Let's see by the end of this month what we have. The Lovers. The Lovers is back. Okay, we will clarify. Let's clarify these cards one by one. Let's clarify the Empress in the recent past for you guys, Virgo. So we have this Seven of Swords and the Seven of Wands and the Eight of Swords. Oh, it was like you were feeling a lot of loving, caring, nurturing kind of energies towards something or someone. And you were doing exactly the opposite of what you should be doing. You were trying to protect yourself. You were overthinking that situation. You were continuously living in the fear of what if. So you were feeling a lot of happy-go-lucky, like loving, caring, nurturing kind of energies towards a particular person or situation. And then you were going totally against it. You were going totally energetically, feeling wise, you were full of love and compassion and whatnot. Physically, you were going totally in the opposite direction of where you should be going. and you were giving it the name of I'm trying to protect myself from getting hurt again. And then you were continuously overthinking about why you are doing what you are doing, why you are feeling what you are feeling. This should not be like this, that should not be like that. Okay, so I don't think so the other energy knows about it, that you are going through so much of trouble because of whatever is happening between you and them don't know about it. Them is just doing their own thing, right? You were like, oh my god, I'm feeling too much, I'm leaning too much towards this person or energy, I should not be. So you started the game of running in the opposite direction, and then you hurt the shit out of yourself because you were going against yourself. Exactly, you were doing exactly the opposite of what you should be doing. You were going against your heart, and it hurt you. My goodness. Currently, we have the Nine of Wands, and now you're like a wounded warrior. Like, what the hell? Hmm? What's happening, Virgo? What is happening, my love? I don't have any Virgo in my life. If any one of you is thinking like, oh my god, you're talking to Virgo in a loving way, you might be talking with Virgo, you might be in love with bullshit. Please stop doing all of this nonsense, honey. So I have the Six of Pentacles and the Knight of Pentacles, the Empress. What is happening? Who is this Empress? Just tell me. You're not leaving this Empress. They are living in you all the time. Now things are not balanced. Things have slowed down to the point of you. This Empress is not here anymore. Whether it's a person or a situation, whether it's a male or female, doesn't matter. The Empress here represents your energies towards something or someone in a very, very beautiful, loving, nurturing, and caring kind of way. It was there in the past physically, but now it's not here physically as well. Maybe they were there in the past physically around you or with you, but now it's not here physically also. And it is making you feel very, very hurt. You are kind of giving up on the situation, but you are not really. You're like, before giving up on the situation 100%, I'm going to fight for it. I'm going to wait and watch when this Empress is going to enter in my life again. So you're holding on to some kind of dream regarding this situation. You are hurt, but you are like, I'm going to wait. It's going to take time for the situation to be balanced, but I'm going to wait. It's important. It's very important. Okay, cool. I can sense it. It's very important for you. What's happening? I don't know. Let's see. Let's clarify the Lovers as a potential outcome for you guys. We have the Page of Swords, the Queen of Cups, and the Queen of Wands. And then there is going to be a choice between two people, two energies, two situations. There is another energy going to be there in the mix. I don't know whether it's going to be like another person, another situation. It's complicated. It's beyond complicated. Virgo, by the end of this month, I do see you distancing yourself from something or someone, but keeping a lot of love in your heart regarding that particular person or situation. Meanwhile, another energy is going to enter in your space. And then it is going to be a choice or a decision between that person, that energy that you're continuously connected to, waiting for, and wanting to be in your life, and the other energy, other person, other situation that is going to enter in your life by the end of this month. It is going to be one of those situations where you are in love with the idea of being with someone, but meanwhile another attractive energy, other an attractive situation is going to enter in your space, and you guys are going to feel like, okay, if I can't have that person, that energy that I want, maybe I can go ahead with this one and see where it goes. Okay. Wow, this is complicated AF, but let's see. So you were continuously getting attracted, feeling a lot of feelings towards something or someone in the recent past, but you were going totally against that. Okay, and it created a lot of chaos and stress for you. Currently you are trying to let it go, but at the same time you're like, I am going to give it a last shot with all of my heart and soul whenever I can. because right now it's not happening, or but it might happen in the future. So don't close the door completely. By the end of this month, you will be waiting and watching and hoping for something or someone to show up in your life. Meanwhile, another energy, it can be a friendship kind of deal, it can be a business, it can be something that you are going to get busy in. Maybe not another person or another energy like that, but you guys are going to have something or someone by your side with whom you are going to feel like, okay, I can go ahead with this one. Meanwhile, keeping the love and the energy for that person, that energy in your heart, and watching from the distance. Okay, let's see the guidance here. Virgo, Virgo, Virgo. So what we have is a Ace of Swords, Six of Wands, a World card. You guys have, okay. You guys were okay before moving forward in your life, before making some kind of cycles to completely close off in your life. Make sure you are doing the right thing. My goodness, this is very complicated, Virgo. I'm not able to explain it to you guys. So you should have a proper mental clarity about where you are going, what you are pursuing, and if whatever you are pursuing or whosoever you are pursuing is going to give you what you want, and whatever you are leaving behind for that particular person or situation is worth leaving behind. Make sure whatever decisions or choices you are going to make, you are very, very sure about that. You have thought about that particular situation or decision or choice of yours with every possible angle. Then only you are going to leave something or someone behind for that particular person or situation, where whatever you are pursuing, right? So have 1,000% crystal clear clarity mentally and emotionally before pursuing something or someone, and before ending something or someone out of your life, out of your system, for something that you want in your life in the future. Oh my god, this is very complicated. I am going to leave it here. Now it's your job to understand. Not mine anymore. Let's see the final uh the final card. Okay. Seek out other possibilities, look for magic in life, be aware of your own emotions. Yeah, your emotions are going to be all over the place in this month, a little bit more than required. So don't make any kind of life changing decisions or choices when your emotions are not balanced, when your energies are not balanced. That's what I wanted to say. Thank god, thank you so much for this card. So yep, until unless your emotions are crystal clear, settled, balanced, you have proper mental clarity and understanding of where you are going, what you are pursuing. See, can you see the hot weather in Mumbai? The fan is on full. My AC is not working right now. It's repairing. It's on repair mode. So deadly heat started in Mumbai. Anyways, so until unless you guys are going to have this balanced emotional and mental state, don't make any kind of life changing decisions or choices, because something or someone might get you infatuated or attracted, but maybe that's not going to be a good idea. So that's the point here. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.